Good day, students, and welcome to this lecture on resources used in the Accounts Office. This topic falls under Section 9 of the CSEC Office Administration Syllabus, which is Accounts and Financial Services. Feel free to pause or replay the video at any point in time to take relevant notes or review and assimilate the information presented and to complete the activities included. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you will be able to define the term hardware resources, define the term software resources, list hardware resources used in the Accounts Office, list software resources used in the Accounts Office, explain the uses of hardware resources, explain the uses of software resources, and explain how these resources add to the efficiency of the Accounts Office. The term hardware resources refers to physical or tangible resources. For example, equipment and machinery. The word tangible means things that can be seen and touched. Let's name these resources. They are calculators, adding machines, computers, printers, scanners, copiers. So here we have a list of hardware resources that are used in the Accounts Office. We can now learn about these resources and find out their descriptions and understand how they are used in the Accounts Office. We start by looking at the calculator. A calculator is a small electronic device which performs calculations. And I know that everyone would be familiar with calculators as they are used in subjects such as mathematics, principles of accounts, etc. And now, most, if not all, smartphones are equipped with built-in calculators. What do you think are some of the uses of the calculator in the Accounts Office? If you visit the link posted on this page, and it will be linked in the description box, you're going to be given a comparison among 5 of the best accounting calculators, and also outlined are the accounting functions performed by each one of these calculators. So examples of accounting functions that are performed by calculators are calculating tax, cost, sell, profit margin percentages, square root, and currency conversion. An adding machine is a class of mechanical calculator, usually specialized for bookkeeping calculations. They perform basic operations such as addition, subtraction, and sometimes percentages. They can print a paper record of these operations. Instead of a decimal key, they may have a switch that sets a decimal place. They may have limited memory for storing results. The adding machine shown in this picture allows for easy data transfer by pairing with a wireless receiver that hooks up to a USB on the computer. So adding machines have now moved into the 21st century as they allow employees of the accounting office to transfer the data easily to the computer. Isn't that interesting? Computers, as we all know, are electronic devices which store data and programs. Within recent times, computers have been used to maintain accounting records and to assist with the preparation, analysis, and interpretation of accounting data, and for the preparation of accounting documents. Hence, the system operated through computers is often referred to as computerized accounting or simply accounting in a computerized environment. A printer is another hardware resource used in the accounts office. This is a peripheral device, meaning it connects directly to a computer that gives hard copy output. This means output on paper. Printers may be of different types, as EDPM and IT students would be aware. For example, laser printers, inkjet printers, line printers, and dot matrix printers. Another hardware resource used by the accounts office is the copier. Copiers also produce hard copies of accounting documents. There are different types of copiers. In the accounting office, both printers and copiers are used to produce hard copies of accounting documents. A scanner is a hardware resource used by the accounts office. A scanner is a peripheral device that captures images and creates a soft copy. Soft copy means an image that is displayed on a screen. There are different types of scanners. Scanners may, for example, be flatbed or handheld. It has become common practice for organizations to purchase a machine that has the capability to print, scan, and copy. These machines are commonly referred to as all-in-one devices. So accounting offices now are equipped with all-in-one devices. We now move on to software resources. The term software resources refers to programs or intangible resources. Intangible means cannot be seen or touched. Examples of software resources are accounting packages and spreadsheet packages. This image shows an accounting package. Accounting packages offer an array of functions and are often customized to suit the particular organization. The example shown here is an accounting package offered by a firm which they have tailored to suit Caribbean businesses. If we look at the image, we are going to see a host of customizable functions that this accounting package can perform. Accounting, banking, preparation of quotations, invoices, single sign-in, preparation of reports, budgeting, scan and recognize, and calculating for fixed assets. Another software resource used by the accounting office is the spreadsheet or spreadsheet packages. Spreadsheet packages are application software programs or packages that organize data into rows and columns and allow the user to perform calculations. Analysis can be performed on numerical data using spreadsheets. The most common example of spreadsheets used in the accounting office is Microsoft Excel. Other examples of spreadsheet packages include Lotus 123, Quattro Pro, EasyCalc, Apple Numbers, and StatView, to name a few. Based on what we've learned so far, we can see that hardware and software resources are important to the functioning of the Accounts Office. Uses of hardware and software resources include preparation and completion of accounting documents, performing calculations such as totals, deductions, wages and salaries, etc., analyzing and presenting numerical data, electronic filing of accounting records. I think that we can all agree that these resources save time and add to the efficient operations of the Accounts Office. As a research activity, I would like you to perform internet research to find out other uses and benefits of hardware and software resources used in the Accounting Office. We have now come to the end of the lecture on resources used in the Accounting Office. I hope that you have enjoyed learning about these resources and that you are going to perform the research activity and follow up with reading and research on hardware and software resources used in the Accounting Office. Thank you for viewing and participating. Images used throughout this video can be found at the links shown here.